Hey, welcome to Hometown PH. Our budget hotels aim to give budget travelers a great experience with nice, clean, family-friendly hotel or hostels where they feel at home, yet easy on the pocket. It aims to promote our hometown, the Philippines. It's for the young, casual, transient, travelers and backpackers where they can have common areas to relax and unwind, but inside, they will have all the basic services of a hotel. We currently have 4 properties: Hometown Hotel Makati EDSA, Hometown Hotel Bacolod Lacson, the White Hotel Bacolod Burgos and short-term condo rentals at Newport City, Pasay, Manila. Hometown Hotel Makati EDSA is a nice, clean, customer-friendly, very accessible place to stay in Metro Manila. It's located at the intersection of 2 major Metro Manila highways, EDSA and South Superhighway, within 4 kilometers from the Ninoy Aquino International Airport, Terminals 1, 2, 3 and 4, Airport Shuttle, for a fee upon request, within 4 kilometers from SM Mall of Asia, within 2 kilometers from Makati Business District, Glorita, Ayala Center. It is across Alphaland Mall, across Paseo de Magallanes Complex, restaurants, spas, supermarkets, across Save More Supermarket. It has easy access to all modes of transportation in Metro Manila, across Magallanes MRT Station and EDSA PNR train station, within 2 kilometers from bus stops to Banal Rice Terraces, Tagaytay, Baguio and other provinces. Facilities, rooms and services include 24-hour front desk, 24-hour security, CCTV, mini store, free parking, airport shuttle, massage, room service, access to roof deck, common area for games, books, play, hang out, relax, lockers, provide your own lock, housekeeping upon request, cable TV, hot and cold shower, free Wi-Fi, linens, guest kits, for premium rooms, towels. Hey, welcome.